Lieutenant's log. I don't know how long I've been here. I don't know how long they're gonna keep me. I don't know what I know anymore.
Who's a fish? Who's a fish?
Stop it, I mean it.
Who's a rabid dog?
So you have to enunciate when
Enunciate.
Make me my mom. Make me my dog. Make me my mom.
You haven't said how I look.
Oh, you look good. 黑什么？你看我来不及了啦。Will you excuse me to freshen up? Come on. Beep, beep.
A snowboard.
You know something? I think I feel something.
Foolish?
I may very well be feeling my spleen unblocking.
Really? It's wild.
Look at this adorable smushy face. Smush, 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 smush. You're hurting me. No, Sheldon hurt you. Before, now it's... Sweet girl, yes you are. Excellent kid.
And again.
Coffee.
All right. Here we go.
Coffee. All right, you know what? Get...
So smooth and flexible.
I took the rest of my milk side of the family.
It's amazing the way it just snaps back like that.
What do you suggest?
She's using you. Yeah. She wants some young sausage. Don't give it to her.
Okay, that's Terry in Glasgow.
Huh?
Oh, good.
Oh, she's just a baby herself.
Listen to me, Chrissy Snow. If Richard gets one good look at this mug I'm with, he'll piss in his pants. No jealousy, my friend. Just laughter.
I figured it out for you, Janet Woods.
Estoy viendo que tienes mucho poder de convencimiento.
Anything, they just...
I'm really happy for you. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go have some fun.
Swear to me!
I swear.
Oh, Lily, you're the best friend a girl could ever have. In fact, I just wrote a song for you. Lily is perfect. She's cute and she works it. She's perfectly perfect and perfectly cute.
Next time you spend the night at my...
Oh, Oliver, you're so lucky to have a girlfriend as cute as Lily. Lily is perfect. She's cute and she works.
The bone structure. It was staring me in the face.
Tell me where the other two hard drives are.
You almost bit through your fucking lip, didn't you?
You tear my heart apart. Don't do...
Reborn! Say it with me, Drakenville.
Minion. The tiny detail.
Sing one song.
Den Mac geschieht nichts, sonst bekommst du das. Ist dem Mac, dieses kleine Schmusibusi, nicht einfach viel wichtig? Auf! Ist sie doch!
Recuerdo que tú fuiste a mi suite. Te me ibas a ofrecer. Yo sí me acuerdo que... No me provoques.
Lo salvé de ti.
Que no me provoques. O te juro que te voy a quitar la vida. te la voy a quitar. Te la voy a quitar. Marido y mujer, mi Lolita. ¿Ah? Que Andrés viene por aquí. Te lo traigo y lo mato delante de ti. Se ve muy bien.
Sua putinha nojenta. Você não sabia disso? Hein? Não, você nunca soube enxergar.
You're the goddess of gaming that changed.
Yeah, I think we are gonna change the world of motion gaming.
You and I are gonna change this world. You and I are gonna. Just you wait and see. You and I are gonna change the world. You and I are gonna change this world. Just you wait and see.
Yes, we are. We certainly are gonna change this world. Oh my god. I love video games.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Squirmy.
I heard you.
A squirmy.
Uh-huh.
What's he say?
I'm screaming. Is that my curling iron? And we can do whatever we want if we put our minds to it. Okay, guys? Okay. Isn't that right, Princess Todd?
Yeah, it's right.
Yes,
it's right.
That's right. Okay? We love you guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Can you speak?
Cute little feminist, isn't she?
This nigga here is too steep. What I'm gonna desire.
¿Dónde está Lola? Ah, no está. Yo la vi entrar al edificio. A lo mejor vuelve a salir, a mí no me dice todo. No me mientas. No, yo no miento, te prometo, te juro, no. Es mejor que colabores, ¿eh?
Honey, I need to talk to you about something serious. You've been very lazy.
That one American is Karen's husband. She's seen doctors, she's tried everything.
Honey, I have to talk to you about something serious. You're being very lazy.
But her head was still sticking out of the egg roll costume, so it didn't help.
No, I won't say a word.
Hadn't you noticed? We're calling the shots.
Yeah, we're going to teach you a lesson. You're
No.
going to forget.
No.
I said, shut up. We don't like what you've done to Doreen.
Yeah, and we
Vera.
don't like the way you've been treating Tracy either.
We don't like your full stop.
I asked about you, okay? I asked about you. I know you're a little whore. Put you in it. I will kill you. And I don't care that shit, okay? You understand what I'm saying to you?
Okay, this is where you keep all of the tension. Mind if I do a yogi chant? It relaxes the muscles. Do you feel that? Mm-hmm. Give me your best frown. Oh, don't say it.
Love you.
Ah! A friend.
A choice specimen.